Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Kaylin and I am Glitterati Glamour. Follow me on Instagram at glitterati_glamour and subscribe, like, comment, do all that fun stuff. Today we are going to be doing a skincare routine. I've got my big bowl of water. It is currently like 10:30. I was going to show you my phone, but it is currently my viewfinder. And so I thought I would do my nighttime skincare routine with you. Okay, so now that we are prepped for the skincare routine, I don't like to keep my shirt on because usually like water will seep and then it's like uncomfortable to take off anyways. So I usually do it in my Calvin Klein. And so we always start with our cleanser. I'm going in today with the Blueberry Gentle Foaming Cleanser, whatever it is, from Glow Recipe. So I wet my face. I got it all over my pants, and then I just take a little bit in my fingers and I rub it together. And I grab a cotton round and I take my Kiehls Cucumber Herbal Alcohol-Free Toner. I'm actually currently looking for a new toner, so if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. So now that I am done with my toner, I go in with a few moisturizers. Now listen, I know I'm probably not supposed to, but I do. So I have a few things. This is my ride or die moisturizer. This is the Boscia Cactus Water Moisturizer. It is to die for. It leaves your skin so nice, but I've been noticing underneath my eyes, especially when I do looks with waterline, it just doesn't really get enough hydration, and so I have been using the Protini Polypeptide cream from Drunk Elephant as well, just underneath my eyes, and it's been working wonders. And then the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum I have from Drunk Elephant as well. And then the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil is also nice. So first, I'm going to use the Boscia. Now I just rub in with my hands. Okay, so normally I brush my teeth between my toner and my moisturizer, but for the purposes of the video, I brushed them before. Fun fact, I have a retainer. So I always pop this in, then I get into my PJs. Voila! Is it gonna focus on me now? Focus? There we go. Okay, so now that I'm in my PJs, so now I usually sit in bed, put on YouTube on the Apple TV. So that's it. I am gonna go to bed now. I'm exhausted. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, comment, go follow me on Instagram at glitterati_glamour, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love you.